Hello YouTube! So, it was finally revealed. Diablo 4 is coming. And to celebrate that, I wanted to make the new logo. I used copper and sterling silver, just like you saw on the short clips earlier. And here is the final logo I made. At first I was thinking of adding a jump ring up here to make this a pendant, but then I decided not to, because this could be something else too. Maybe I add a magnet behind there, or some kind of hook or something else, not pendant this time. But anyway, this turned out quite good, and yeah, the colors are quite good. I like it. But yeah, Diablo 4 is coming. Not soon, not even Blizzard soon, but coming anyway. If you like this little logo I made, please like this video, maybe subscribe and leave a comment what you think. And yeah, see you next time.